Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to do a frozen pizza on a Z-Grill's pellet grill. So if you really want to elevate just a basic food item that you can find, this is just one popular brand. You can find all different types of frozen pizzas at your grocery store, and you could even buy a basic pizza and dress it up with additional toppings like olives and whatever, but that's up to you. Or you could make your own pizza crust and really do it the right way. But for a quick and easy and satisfying meal, much more satisfying than a pizza baked in the oven, do your frozen pizza on your pellet grill. So right here it says for this particular pizza, it says 400 degrees directly on the oven racks for 17 to 19 minutes. Well, obviously we're substituting the oven for the pellet grill. Some pizzas have cardboard underneath. Obviously, remove the cardboard if they do. Also, some pizzas, most pizzas, like this, have this plastic wrap. Obviously, remove the plastic wrap before putting it in your pellet grill. So now we got the pizza. If I wanted to add additional toppings, I could do that, but I'm just going to keep it very simple. I'm going to toss it in directly on the racks, and then on my phone I'm going to set my timer. I think it said 17 to 19 minutes, so I'm just going to set it for 17. And let's see, just my little timer on my iPhone here. Now I'll set it for 15, then I'll check it and see if I need to do it a little bit longer. But super simple. The value add of cooking a pizza on your pellet grill is that you're getting, well, you're taking it up to another level because you're getting the wood smoke flavor. You know, if you've ever been to a restaurant and they have wood-fired pizza, I mean, obviously this example, this is just a store-bought mainstream brand frozen pizza, but you're still going to get that wood smoke flavor profile that you wouldn't get if you simply tossed this frozen pizza in the oven. I mean, there's no wood smoke in an oven. That's why I'm doing my pizza on my Z-Grill's pellet grill. So let's go ahead and let it cook. Like I said, this set in an oven, 400 degrees, 17 to 19 minutes. I'm gonna come back, I've got my timer set. I'm gonna come back in about 15 minutes and we'll see how it looks. And the pellets that I'm using, just so you know, and you can use a variety of different wood pellet flavors. Today I'm just using the Z-Grill's oak. So not an overpowering wood, but something that is going to enhance the flavor profile of this store-bought pizza from the freezer section. Okay, so it's been about a little bit over 16 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn my Z-Grills off using the Z-Grills app. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down because I know my pizza's done. Now let's go ahead and pull the pizza out, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like up close here. But here, oh man, perfect. So everything is perfectly cooked. Obviously the value add of this, doing it on a pellet grill, is that we're gonna have that good wood smoke flavor. So look at this, look at this. I mean, just a basic freezer section pizza. Let's get this camera over here. I'm gonna cut into it so show you what it looks like. You get that good crunch, crispiness on the bottom, and that's really what's going to help with the flavor here, that wood smoke. So here's one piece. Heck, I'm going to go ahead and cut a few more and then show you. Probably not the best thing to cut on a plate like this, but who cares, man? You go out and you're doing a cheap and or less expensive and easy meal. You just get you a pizza from the freezer section. You can't go down to your, even if you got a coupon code, you can't go down to your local carry-out pizza place and get a better deal than this. And like I said, you're getting the wood smoke flavor. Now, you know, if you want to get fancy with it and make your homemade crust and all that, you could and make something exceptional. But for a quick meal, Mmm. See, look at the bottom. You can see the grill marks. Man, this has a great wood smoke flavor. I gotta let it cool off for a few minutes so I can eat it. But the tiny bite that I ate, I get the good wood smoke flavor. And again, this is just one of many type frozen pizza brands you can find almost anywhere in the freezer section. This takes this to an entirely different level as far as flavor profile. So you're getting a very simple and delicious eat, but you're not spending a bunch. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell when you do, and check out all of my pellet grill videos here from the Appalachian Ocean. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.